What's up, beautiful people? In this video we will be planting in my grow bags that you see right here along the front yard fence. Okay, I'm excited about the things that we are growing, so make sure you stay tuned, lock in. I'm gonna share a lot of insight in between. Okay, let's get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 How y'all doing, great people? My name is Ricky Jones Jr. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and to the Don't Keep Up With the Joneses palette and gardening channel, which you'll find all of the various necessary videos for all of your gardening needs, whether you're a beginner gardener, first time gardener, curious gardener, experienced gardener, or I've been gardening and that's what I do. Okay, we have a home just for you, in which if you see things on videos and things like that and you have any insight on what's taking place, please comment down below so that we can all learn and yes, grow together. Okay, all right, so in this video we will be gardening some things that I bought while I was out buying supplies for my soil, which I told you all I am cooking together a specific potting soil, gardening soil for grow bags specifically. Okay, and so probably you can use this particular soil for containers, raised beds and things like that. However, I am focusing on grow bags, which we have so many videos talking about the reasons why and things like that. So I have some soil that I have used, or excuse me, made based off of the concoction that I have put together, and so we're gonna try it out. Obviously you have to test things before you sell things to other people, and so I want to be able to guarantee or stand behind or back the supply or product that I am putting out into the market. So with that being said, we have this, and while I was out buying the supplies for this, I came upon some seedlings that I had to buy, right? I came upon some peaches and cream corn. Like, where in the world? I've never seen peaches and cream corn before. I saw it for the first time and I was like, I have to buy it. You know how it is, gardeners, when you're out shopping and things like that, and you come across a plant that you haven't seen before, you haven't grown before, and you're curious about doing so, you buy it, okay? And so that's what we have. That's what we are going to grow. That's what we are going to plant, and I will companion plant with this bad boy too, so stay tuned for that. And we also have some broccoli, ladies and gentlemen, in which you see some missing because I have put some in my raised bed over there. I did those last night. I will tell the truth. And so I have two more that I'm gonna plant. We're gonna plant, I believe, in one in a grow bag, and then the other one we'll probably put in the raised bed over there. But nonetheless, like I said, we're gonna also companion plant with this bad boy as well. Obviously, that's what I'm trying to do, maximize the space and the contents that you put within your grow bags, because you know, who wants to grow one thing in one bag? Okay, no, if you can maximize your space, let's go ahead and do so. And on this channel, on these videos, I will show you how to maximize it. And even I don't want to leak too much, because like I said, guys, gardening with me is about to hit the world with various garden things. However, I'll just share it. One of the things I'm going to do is with the grow bags is grow things that families eat from, okay? So it'll be specified based off of your table needs, okay? Okay, I'll say too much, but maybe not. Just stay tuned to say and see everything that we're going to do. All right, so let's go ahead and start with carrots or broccoli. Carrots or broccoli. Let's start with the broccoli. Broccoli first and then the carrots, because you can do a lot with the carrots that I want to show you. Let's go. Okay, I'm done talking. All right, great people. So we're going to go ahead and plant this broccoli plant within the grow bag, which I'm going to do it in the center, which this soil is nice and loose as we want it to be. But it also has the ingredients to make sure that it stays with the amount of water as necessary. Of course, having to make sure it is water on a regular basis, being that it is a grow bag and water does flow through, which, like I said, the soil is on the way, ladies and gentlemen. You see the progress in which we have with the soil, so you know I'm doing what's necessary. So I just want to show you all too the root ball system for the broccoli, which of course it spirals because it's in a plastic container that it was grown in. And so with the grow bags, you won't have this spiraling. What you would usually have is the roots coming out, but you'll see like more roots and things like that. So that's one of the main reasons why I am switching from going from 5-gallon buckets, plastic 5-gallon buckets, to my grow bags, which I'm even looking to have and grow, or excuse me, I'm looking to also provide my own grow bags that you all will be able to purchase as well. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Now, what I am going to grow along with my broccoli is beets, or excuse me, are beets. And so I also want to do some onions. So I'll do onions on one half and beets on the other half. And so I'll do the purple ones, or excuse me, yep, well, they're called dark red. Dark red beets, because of course beets are root vegetables. So with broccoli being what it is, which is a tall or taller, I won't say tall because it's only gonna grow like 2 inches or 2 feet tops. I can do some beets in here, which we know beets are root vegetables. It's kind of hard planting with the seeds with the gloves, but nonetheless it's going to be a nice symbiotic relationship in which the root vegetable of the beet will of course loosen the soil even more, so that the broccoli plant can do what it needs to do, which is grow nice and tall. And also too, you can grow your beets with your broccoli as well as your onions as well, because they won't compete for the same nutrients. So that's one of the main reasons why and how you pick what can grow well with what, based off of what your variety or your vegetable or whatever it is you're looking to companion plant with, what it eats. And so ideally you don't grow things that eat from the same pool, because obviously they'll compete for nutrients and one will not make it. All right, so I'm gonna do some onions over here, some onion seeds, which let me show you the onion seeds. I was gonna do it off camera, but let me do it on camera so you can even see the onion seeds. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the onion seed. Yes, like who would have thought an onion can grow from, well, an onion does grow from such a small seed, which again is another reason why I encourage gardening, so you can even see how things start, see where things grow from, to be able to better appreciate what you get to eat ultimately at the table. Which hey, what I'm gonna do on Friday is do a tour with Rain. Rain is gonna walk us around the garden and talk about the different things, because that's another reason why I love gardening, to show my beautiful daughter and son how things grow, where things come from, and the beauty of nature and life and God and creation and all those good things. All right, so I'm planting these seeds all around the broccoli plant itself as well. So that's going to be nice and good. I'm going to come through when I finish with the corn and do a nice water with my rainwater that I have from my rainwater barrel. And so that's going to be nice and nutrient rich. As we know, rainwater has a great way of benefiting our plants as opposed to house water. For the third broccoli plant, I'm going to just plant it over here in my raised bed and let it do what it does over here with my other greens and things, and have some basil in here as well. And so we're gonna let that do what it needs to do, which that is gonna be an awesome addition to the garden. So all right, so let's move on to the corn, shall we? Now to plant the corn. The cool thing about the corn is that you can plant 9 in each grow bag, which hey, I don't know, maybe we'll do that many, maybe we won't. We'll see how many are in here and we'll grow accordingly. So with corn, they only needed about 4 inches of space between each stalk itself. And so we'll plant it out, see how it does, and then we'll also companion plant with the corn as well. No need in just using a grow bag for one vegetable unless absolutely necessary. But when we can, we companion plant, okay? That's the motto, that's the method of gardening with me. And so that is what we will do. I'll show you what I am going to companion plant with the corn, but also to remind you of what you can companion plant with the corn, which we all know of that great relationship of corn, beans, cucumbers. And so like that's the always go-to certified way that you can do what you need to do with your corn. But I'm gonna show you what I'm going to companion plant with my corn today. And so now I'm just gonna plant the stalks in here again with the soil being nice and loose. That's always great and awesome when dropping in my seedlings. And you may be wondering, Ricky, why aren't you like putting any bone meal or fertilizer in your soil as you are planting your seedlings, which you normally do? Great question. I'm glad you asked. And that's because I already have some fertilizers in my soil, which again, like I said, I'm working on some things, ladies and gentlemen. And so as you will receive the soil from me, or if you purchase a grow bag system from me and I come and deliver it to you, then it will already have fertilizers in there for your first month or two, and so you just need to fertilize after that. You don't have to do any initial fertilizing. Everything you need will be in the soil itself, and so it'll be good and ready to grow. All right, so I believe I can do one more in the center, which, hey, why push it? Don't have to, so I won't. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my companion planting, in which I am going to do carrots for this one. I'm gonna do carrots and beans. And so let me first start out with the carrots, and I'll do the beans after. All right, so let me get my carrot seeds out, which I want to even show you all how small carrot seeds are, which I always get so many carrot seeds, more than necessary, because of the sheer size of them, or lack thereof, I should probably say. Once you see them, you'll see what I'm talking about. Boom, look at that. Look at the size of these carrot seeds, how small they are, essentially. And so what I'm gonna do is just put 2 per little hole, just because of how small they are. They don't need a big hole to grow in. However, with the carrots being a root vegetable, again, like we did with the broccoli, it'll do well with the carrots, obviously keeping the soil nice and loose, but then too, giving some nutrients as well to the corn, because the carrots, of course, as they grow, are growing with the help of nutrients. And so the relationship between the carrots and the corn is going to be beneficial. And then also when the carrots sprout up, I'll then put some beans in here as well, so that we can have some nitrogen growing in here with the carrots, allowing for them to grow, as well as the corn. Okay, all right, great people, so I have 2 more corn stalks. I'll put them in somewhere around here. Yep, I'll probably put them right over here in this raised bed that's nice and open and things like that. But so just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have a grow bag that has your corn and your broccoli in it, with the companion plants of beets and carrots. Okay, and so you can do it too, you can grow it too. Like I said, I'm gonna give it a nice douse of water, so don't worry about that. And I'm gonna plant the corn right over here. It's gonna be there. But like I said, on Friday we will have a tour with my lovely daughter, and I'll see if Ricky wants to do it. That boy is very interesting. However, you'll get the perspective of a garden from a 5-year-old, just to show you all how beautiful it is to grow the different things that you are growing, and the excitement that kids can have and should have as well in seeing their food being grown. Okay, and so we have those here. Again, the soil is on the way. Be on the lookout for that. The grow bags are on their way. Be on the lookout for that. But until then, enjoy the various gardening things that you can do and your grow bags and things like that. So with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. If you made it this far, smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, so other people on YouTube can see this video, and click that subscribe if you're new to their channel. Greatly appreciate it. I love you all. Be on the lookout for all of the various things that are coming your way from this channel, Garden With Me, our gardening company, and the Jones family collectively. Okay, with that being said, be blessed. I love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. I really do. I appreciate you all. All the comments, I may not speak to them all, but I see them all. I appreciate you all. You all give me so much lights, give me so much love, give me so much appreciation and energy to do what I get to do, which is video for you. So with that being said, till next time, peace.